Yeah. It is Saturday afternoon, July 1st, 2023, Union, Illinois, Illinois Railway Museum. And today is a celebration of the Illinois Railway Museum's 70th anniversary, an electric parade of 72 pieces of electric equipment and 30 movements. And these will be parading by the East Union Depot. In the rear there, probably a former Amtrak AEM 7 electric locomotive, Pennsylvania Railroad GG1, grand and great #1 electric locomotive in the world, and the South Shoreline Little Joe, and some Metra Electric EMUs, and some original, it looks like down there at the end, some original Illinois Central Electrics that ran between Randolph Street, Chicago, and Kensington and beyond. And this railroad on the left is former Chicago Northwestern line from the Chicago suburbs to Belvedere and Rockford, Illinois, now Union Pacific. Again, Saturday afternoon, July 1st, 2023, 3:45 p.m. Union, Illinois, Illinois Railway Museum, over and out.